Dito.
Okay, so that is sir. In front of you po is the Bird Farm District. So in front of you po, natin sir, or on your right, is the Bird Farm Beach Resort. So Bird Farm Beach Resort is the first 5-star hotel in our island or city. And the main reason why tinawag siya the Bird Farm, it is because the first owner of this 14-hectare property is Mr. Daniel Aguinaldo. And Mr. Daniel Aguinaldo actually tried to culture or farm 12,000 oysters to produce pearl. However, ang pearl na yung napili po is kina-survive to a salt water. That is why naman ang makamatay. And actually, by the time na nibala niya nga, naman ang nagkamatay ang iyang mga oyster. Rest house lang. However, because of their family na sige mo Revolve Resort, hindi mo nila resort, and they name it after the first owner na mo siyang farm or cultural ng oyster.
Wow.
Pearl. So, naging mo siyang pearl farm. So, each villa or the cheapest villa only costs 20 to 25,000. Good for 2 person, pero parang nagbaba na daw po sila. Pero after po, sila kasi paiba-iba ilang price range depending on peak season, weekends, and weekdays. So, it is 14 hectares with 265 rooms. The architecture of Bird Farm Beach Resort is based on Mandaya Terrace.